Welcome, PaleriderTV. This is a crazy video here sent to me from Daniel Adame. Let me tell you something, drivers. I've been around this truck industry for a long time. I've seen it all. Please, when it's raining, slow down. Slow down in the rain. You're not supposed to be speeding in the rain. Not supposed to be speeding anytime. But I see these drivers that speed just the same as if it's dry and when it's raining. Then if you are speeding in the rain, be sure you pay attention to what's in front of you. So I'm going to play this video and you'll see why I'm saying what I'm saying. Stand by. Yeah, that guy is very, very lucky that he did not end up stuck in the median because he was an idiot. Now, I think Daniel talked to the guy earlier or after that happened. I guess they were in a backup and he pulled up beside him. And the guy was saying that it was that truck in front of his fault that he had to do it. Daniel was saying, no, you were speeding. Well, you can tell when he passes Daniel there that the guy is just, boom. It's crazy. So, perfect super trucker right there. But he's very, very lucky he didn't rear end that truck. He did take evasive action, but if you pay attention, you wouldn't have to take evasive action. And he got, luckily, he didn't get stuck in the median or go all the way across, because it had been raining all day like crazy down there. That was in Louisiana, Hammond, around Hammond, there on I-12. Daniel's heading west, so that's where that happened. So, all right, that's it. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe.